Hello, what's up, everyone? This is Aaron here. Before I say that started, please go down low and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload. Yeah, so I don't have any money in a budget right now for that contest, so I won't be doing the 2 runs like that or the gift cards for a while, just because I'll give you guys a reason in the next video. I kind of just wanted to come up and say what's up. Yeah, and see you on the next one. Peace.